Alright, today I'm working on making some wheel spacers for my trailer. The insides of the wheels were rubbing on the trailer frame, so we need spacers just to push them out just a little bit to make it work. So what we have here are a couple old rotors from a car. I think they're from a Mazda 5 rear disc brakes. They got the right bolt pattern for the trailer, which is 5 by 114 or 5 by 1.5. So what we're going to do is cut off the this part, and then this will be our spacer. And I think it's about, I don't know, I think online people are saying about 8 mils, so that should just hopefully be enough. So let's get the grinder and start cutting. Alright, let's do the next one. Now if you need these, you don't have any of these, and you want to build your own wheel spacer, I'm sure most garages, you can go there and just pick them up for free, or well, they just keep them for the scrapper, but they probably don't get more than maybe $1, so if you offer a buck or two. We still got to grind off the lip. Let's see, that's good. There we go. I just want to clean them up. Alright, here we go, 2 hub rings. Alright, so let's check how thick they actually are now that I ground them down and cut them off. So, let's see here, if you can see, it's a solid 5/16.